All of the healthcare systems here in the Charlotte area are requiring workers to be vaccinated against COVID as a condition of their employment. And with hospitals already stressed and those deadlines quickly approaching, there are some concerns it could make existing staffing shortages even worse. WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner is live with this story for us tonight at Novant in Elizabeth. So, Chloe, 175 Novant employees across the entire system have already been let go because they didn't get vaccinated. That's correct, right?
Yeah, Bill, that's right. But for some perspective, it's 175 people out of their 35,000 employees. So that is less than 1% of their staff. And other healthcare systems typically mandate vaccines, including the flu shot, and they say that it's in the best interest of the patients. Healthcare systems practicing what they preach, enforcing vaccine mandates for staff.
Our sacred responsibility is to make sure people are not harmed when they come into any of our facilities. And the way we do that is to put every barrier up that would protect them.
Novant Health employees had until September 15th to get at least partially vaccinated. 99% of its workforce was compliant, but as of this week, 175 people who did not get the shots are no longer employed. The health system says the mandate is in place to better protect the communities they serve.
We've been in a deadly pandemic for 19 months. There are 680,000 Americans who have died, and we cannot contribute to that number, not a single time. One is too many.
Atrium Health employees have until October 31st to be fully vaccinated. Officials wouldn't share details on how much of the staff has been so far.
We continue to advocate for vaccination for healthcare workers and non-healthcare workers to protect our community and continue to see that the vast majority of severe illness is in those unvaccinated.
The hospitals were experiencing staffing shortages even before the pandemic and have only become more strained throughout. Plus, the protection helps keep more medical workers healthy and on the job.
I think people think, well, a small number of individuals have left the organization, so it must create staffing issues. What creates worse staffing issues is when team members get COVID and they're out for longer periods of time.
And further proof of the message the hospitals are trying to send with these vaccine mandates, both Atrium and Novant Health released some new data today, and they say that 98% of the people in the hospital with COVID on a ventilator right now are unvaccinated. Live in Elizabeth, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.
All right, Chloe, thank you.